What's up everyone, welcome back to another episode of Workshop Rebuild. In today's video, I'll share with you guys some action shots on the Bolens HT20 and how well it performs with the front snowblade setup. I had a slight issue the other day when I filled up the fuel tank with the Bolens HT20 and all of a sudden the fuel just started to leak out the bottom and I didn't know exactly why. I came over here and I had a look and the fuel tank cracked on me, so I believe it was due to the cold that we received. Right now it's currently -30 at night and also -25 during the day. In Fahrenheit that would be around 13 to 20, so it's very cold currently, and I'm gonna try my best to set up a jerry can right here so my fuel pump will take the fuel out of a jerry can and supply fuel to the engine. So I'm going to share with you guys the fuel tank setup I managed to put onto this machine. I'll close the hood and give you guys a cold startup right after that. So this is my fuel tank setup for today. I have a small jerry can right here. It's held in place with this bungee cord from this side to right down there. I do not want the fuel tank to touch the flywheel in any way, so I have that pulled forward. And then I made this little cap right here, as you guys can see, so the fuel hose will fit right into the middle. And this isn't technically gravity fed just like the Bolens would be, but I believe the fuel pump on that side should be sufficient enough to pull out the fuel that's in here. So let's give it a try. Okay, so it's really cold and the Bolens doesn't want to start, so I got this boost pack out here and we're going to try it with a little boost. Okay, so right behind me over there is the Bolens HT20. It's warming up very nicely. I'm gonna see how it performs in all this snow over here and all the snow down over there and out the driveway as well. The Bolens HT20 is back under the roof, and while I was clearing some snow, I ran into an issue and I hit the front right corner of the blade pretty hard. It was something really icy and it bent the front right bottom of the blade. So now my blade line isn't straight anymore. So the front right was always digging into the ground. I didn't get that footage on camera because it's hard to take off your gloves when it's so cold and you always have to hit record and then put on your gloves. So I didn't get that footage. But I will share with you guys the bent blade right now. Walking up to the blade, as you guys can see, the bottom right has already lost some paint. That's due to it rubbing on the ground more than the other side. This is basically the right side when you're sitting on the tractor, but obviously now it's the left side. And as you guys can see, that's just digging into the ground. So it's not straight anymore. So I'm gonna have to take this blade off again and try and straighten that corner. As you guys can see, from the top right here, that end is going in. I hit something on the right corner and it just stopped the machine, but also bent that to the back, and obviously that won't work anymore. Right now I'm going to take the blade off the Bolens HT20, bring it into the shop, fix it, make the cutting edge straight again. Once it's back on the Bolens, I'll bring you guys back for another snow plowing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little clip so far, and next time if I'm plowing snow, I hope it really isn't this cold. So stay tuned for an upcoming video.